morning, everybody. This recipe today is called Are You Kidding Me Cake. And it was just too easy not to do. I mean, we really need to do this one. Actually, I'm going to make 2 of them. I'm putting them in these tins so we can just take them, drop them off and forget them. We don't have to worry about picking up our containers later. That is sometimes an issue for me. I forget where I have dropped things off, or sometimes people bring me things and then I forget who brought it. Like, okay, I've got this container and I'm willing to give it back, but somebody needs to claim it. Anyway, I digress. The first one that I'm making is going to my gluten-free grandkids. They don't have celiacs, they just have an intolerance, but still. So we're going to use this gluten-free cake mix. So it's just 1 cake mix. I'm going to put this in my bowl here. And then 3 large eggs. And then 1 can of the ready-made pie filling. And I'm using peach here with my yellow cake mix. All we're going to do now is just mix this up. Now I'm going to pour it into my tin. And we're going to pop this into a preheated 350 degree oven for 35 minutes. And you may have noticed I have 2 out here. I'm going to go ahead and make a second cake to take to my in-laws, a spice cake with apple pie filling. Why not spread the love? My love language is cooking, apparently. I love the smell of spice cake. I like these super simple recipes. And a lot of this stuff I just have. Just pull a couple of ingredients out of the cabinet and we've got a fantastic baked good that we can share. Or eat it all ourselves. Second pie tin. And now this one's going to go into the oven as well, 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Let's see how these came out. Nice. Looks delicious. This is the peach and yellow. Ooh, This is the spice and apple. Smells fantastic. Important step at my age. Remember to turn the oven off. I'm just going to take a little corner off of each one, just a taste test. And the rest will go to Andy's house and Gail and Dean's house. All right, let's see how this came out. Really good. Now the spice. Oh my gosh. I can taste the cinnamon. Really good. Really good. So this is called Are You Kidding Me Cake? And I will post a couple of the suggested cake mix filling combos in the comments, but feel free to experiment. I can think of a lot of them that I would like to try. You all have a good day, and I will be back soon with another recipe. Thank you so much for all the love, the comments, the likes, the shares. It means a whole lot. And thank you very much for everything.